Hi there, I'm Tim Halls from the locals at Ray White Kingsland, and I am super proud to show you through this very cute unit here at 7/21A Malvern Road in Western Springs. This home's going to appeal to a wide variety of buyers, but it is excellent if you are looking to get a foothold in this hot market. Make sure you come along and have a look on the weekend. A simple but functional layout is ideal for singles and couples with comfortable open plan living and 2 double bedrooms. Both the bathroom and kitchen are tidy and have been renovated recently, and this is elevated and positioned to catch all the sun all day long. Stroll up the hill to Kingsland Village or Morningside Precinct, where you're spoilt for choice when it comes to wining and dining, as well as all of the public transport options we have available here. Ticking off all the boxes, it also has a convenient, singular off-street car park right next to the door.